Here's an automation for roofing industry. It's basically gonna run their entire business on autopilot. Through lead generation and automation, they can easily earn 2x to 4x every month of their business while helping them with all of these things right here. It all starts, we need a 4 softwares for roofing industry that generates high quality leads. Apollo.io, Apollo Scrapper, Bulk Email Verifier, and Smart Lead that warm up the leads. It all starts off lead gen through Facebook ads and local SEO, where homeowner books a virtual appointment on the business website, and they're gonna get automatically AI voice assistant call to reach out to the client, qualify the client with AI technology, where qualifying details along with their contact details is sent to the high level CRM where new contact is created, and they're gonna get automatically confirmation email and SMS. On the other side, send house preparation instructions and checklist is sent to the client and wait for 24 hours before appointment. If they say no, we reschedule attempt sequence. If they say again no, we put them into a nurture sequence to get them to rebook in the future. On the other side, if they say yes, the virtual consultation and recording and automatically transcribe. The transcribe is sent to the Claude AI for analysis the meeting. And after that, customer proposal and project assessment is generated and sent to the client. If proposal is accepted, automatically deposit request is initiated and service provider takes over the project. And after the completion of project, send an automated invoice via QuickBooks. And after completion of all process, send feedback email. If the response is negative, create a task for service provider to reach out and find out exactly what's gonna happen. If the response is positive, send thank you email with future and discount and a link to Google review. We put both cases into a nurture sequence and reactivation campaign for future renovation and upsells and maintenance also. An automation like this, all the tedious workload of the roofing industry, so they can focus on their sales fulfillment and less on admin part. If you want this type of automation in your roofing industry and a AI voice assistant to reach out to the client directly without any human need, we helping them all the customer needs and generate sales 2x to 4x every month. If you like this type of automation in your industry, then please DM me.